Yeah, so round 2, yes. Round 2. Now I call them round 2. We're gonna do this round 2. Round 2 jump starting. Round 2. Like, how does a car switch off after you jump start it? I'm not sure what's the problem with this car, but then that one. But then ziyakhala. So yeah. Yeah. Ziyakhala. So jump starting. Luckily I left the bonnet on white. But sometimes my genius is too much. Brake hand, parking brake. Open the bonnet. Oh. Yeah. I'm not gonna get out of there. I am not comrade. I'm not getting out of there. So desperate measures call. What desperate times call for desperate measures? Oh, I'm go see him. Round 2, Buffett. Round 2. Hey, they say buy a Dodge. It's fun, they say, right? Of course it's fun. But then, it's fun. So yeah, let me do these things. I will come back.